Picture yourself stepping onto a mid-sized cruise ship where the dress code is basically whatever makes you happy. The bar is already pouring, and the Caribbean breeze is doing half the work of putting you in vacation mode. That is the vibe the Norwegian Sky has been serving up for years, and it has quietly built a loyal following among cruisers who want the fun without the fuss. She is not the newest ship in the fleet, and she is not the biggest, but she has a certain easygoing charm that keeps people coming back. Part of that appeal comes from the way Norwegian Cruise Line runs their whole operation. Freestyle cruising has been their signature for a long time, and the Sky is a solid example of what that looks like in practice. No rigid dinner times, no forced formal nights, and no pressure to be anywhere you do not want to be. For working folks who just want to unplug for a few days, that flexibility is worth its weight in gold. The Sky tends to run shorter itineraries, which makes her a popular pick for first-time cruisers and repeat guests looking for a quick escape. She is the kind of ship where you can hop on Friday and feel like a new person by Monday. So let us take a proper walk around the ship and see what she really offers, starting with where you actually lay your head at night. When it comes to staterooms, the Norwegian Sky offers the classic range you would expect from a ship of her size and generation. That means inside cabins for budget-minded travelers, ocean view rooms for folks who want a little natural light, balcony staterooms for those who like their morning coffee with a sea view, and a selection of suites for guests ready to splurge. The inside cabins are cozy and practical, and they are honestly a smart choice for cruisers who plan to spend most of their time out and about the ship. You get a comfortable bed, private bathroom, climate control, and enough storage to unpack properly for a short sailing. For the price, they are hard to beat, and plenty of experienced cruisers swear by them. Ocean view rooms bump things up a notch by adding a window, which changes the whole feel of the space. Waking up to sunlight on the water is one of those small luxuries that never really gets old. These cabins strike a nice middle ground for guests who want a view without paying balcony prices. Balcony staterooms are where a lot of cruisers land when they want the full experience. Having your own private outdoor space to sip a drink, read a book, or just watch the ocean roll by is something people tend to get hooked on fast. Once you cruise with a balcony, going back to an inside cabin can feel like a real adjustment. At the top of the ladder, the suites on the Sky give guests extra square footage, upgraded furnishings, and access to perks that make the sailing feel more elevated. Suite guests often enjoy priority boarding, dedicated service touches, and roomier layouts that make longer stays in the cabin genuinely enjoyable. For special occasions, honeymoons, or milestone birthdays, they are worth a serious look. Norwegian also does a solid job of offering accessible staterooms for guests with mobility needs, with wider doorways, roll-in showers, and thoughtful layouts. Families traveling with kids can usually find configurations that work, whether that means connecting cabins or rooms that sleep 3 or 4. It is not the most cutting-edge smart tech ship out there, but the essentials are all handled well, and the beds are comfortable enough to actually get some sleep between adventures. Now, dining is where the Sky really leans into that freestyle personality, and for a lot of guests, this is the highlight of the whole trip. The ship carries an impressive lineup of restaurants and bars considering her size, and Norwegian is well known for including a strong list of specialty venues in certain fare packages. That is a pretty rare treat in the cruise world. The main dining rooms handle the bulk of sit-down meals, and they serve up a rotating menu that leans on familiar favorites with a few adventurous options mixed in. Think steaks, pasta, seafood, roasted meats, and vegetarian choices, all presented with proper table service. Because of the freestyle format, you can show up when you feel like it rather than being locked into a specific seating. The buffet is the go-to for casual meals, especially at breakfast and lunch when you are running between shore excursions and pool time. Expect a wide spread that covers international flavors, comfort food, salads, carving stations, and a dessert section that has ended more than a few diets. It is the kind of place where you can grab a quick bite in flip-flops without a second thought. Specialty dining is where things get really interesting. The Sky is known for having options like a steakhouse, an Italian restaurant, an Asian-inspired venue, and other themed spots that let guests treat themselves to a proper night out. These places usually carry a cover charge or fall under a specialty dining package, but the quality tends to justify the cost. Themed dinners and events pop up throughout the sailing, and they add a bit of extra flair to the week. Whether it is a deck party with grilled favorites or a special menu tied to the destination, these little touches help meals feel like part of the entertainment. Cruisers who love food talk about the Sky as a ship where you can eat very well without ever feeling stuck in a routine. The bar scene on board is genuinely one of the ship's strong suits. Norwegian has offered beverage promotions on the Sky that have made her especially popular with adults looking for a lively, social vibe. There are pool bars, lounge bars, and quieter spots for a nightcap, and the bartenders tend to remember your drink after the second visit. That kind of hospitality goes a long way when you are trying to relax. Heading up top, the pool and sun deck area is the beating heart of the ship during sea days. The main pool deck is a lively spot with music, sunshine, deck chairs, and the constant hum of people ordering drinks and chatting about their day. It has that classic Caribbean cruise ship energy where the party never really stops, but it also never gets too out of hand. Around the main pool you will find whirlpools where guests can soak and watch the world go by, and there is usually plenty of space to stretch out with a book or a cocktail. The atmosphere leans casual and social, and it is easy to strike up a conversation with fellow cruisers who are just as glad to be off work as you are. For guests who prefer a quieter scene, there are typically calmer corners of the ship where you can escape the pool deck buzz. The Sky is not the newest ship packed with adults-only sanctuaries and infinity pools, but she does offer places where you can find some peace when you need it. Early risers who grab a lounger before the crowd arrives often score the best real estate on the ship. You will not find towering water slides or splash zones like on the newer megaships, and that is honestly part of the charm for a lot of guests. The Sky sticks with the classic cruise formula of pools, hot tubs, sunshine, and drinks, and she does it well. Sometimes simple really is better, especially when you just want to unplug for a few days. Onboard activities on the Sky keep guests busy from morning until well past midnight without ever feeling overloaded. During the day, you can expect trivia contests, dance classes, poolside games, art auctions, and casual sports up on deck. The activity staff work hard to keep things fun without ever being pushy, which is a balance not every cruise line manages to strike. Fitness options are covered by a well-equipped gym that has the cardio machines, weights, and floor space needed for a proper workout. A lot of guests actually stick to their routines on board, especially when the treadmill comes with an ocean view. It is a small but genuinely motivating detail. Evening entertainment is where the ship really shifts gears. The main theater hosts production shows, live music performances, comedy sets, and variety acts that pull in big crowds every night. The Sky may not have the elaborate Broadway-style productions found on newer ships, but the entertainment lineup is solid and hits the right notes for a fun, easygoing sailing. Beyond the main stage, live music spills out of lounges and bars all over the ship. You can bounce from a piano bar to a dance floor to a laid-back acoustic set without ever repeating yourself. Karaoke fans, dance lovers, and folks who just want to sway with a cocktail all get their moment on board. The casino is another gathering spot where the crowd tends to get lively at night. Slots, table games, and card rooms give guests plenty of options to try their luck. Whether you win or lose, it is one of those places where the atmosphere alone is worth a walk through. For a bit of quieter enrichment, the ship usually offers cultural and destination-focused talks tied to the ports of call. Guests planning shore excursions often stop by these sessions to get some tips before heading out. It is a nice way to add a little depth to your trip without feeling like you are back in school. On the wellness side, the spa on the Norwegian Sky is one of those spaces guests fall in love with once they step inside. It offers the treatments cruisers have come to expect, from massages and facials to body wraps, scrubs, and specialty therapies aimed at relaxation and recovery. Booking early is a smart move, especially for sea days when the spa is at its most popular. Thermal spa features like saunas and steam rooms give guests a low-key way to unwind between activities. There is something about sitting in a warm sauna while the ship glides across the ocean that just hits different. Regular cruisers know these quiet spa hours are one of the true luxuries of a sailing. The fitness studio complements the main gym by hosting group classes throughout the sailing. Yoga, stretching sessions, and cardio-based classes give guests a chance to work off some of the buffet damage in a social setting. Instructors keep things approachable so beginners feel just as welcome as regulars. Salon services round out the spa experience, with hair styling, manicures, and pedicures available for anyone who wants to feel a little extra put together for dinner or a night out. It is a nice touch for guests celebrating something special or just leaning into the vacation treatment. For many, a spa day at sea becomes the highlight of the whole trip. Families sailing on the Norwegian Sky will find that Norwegian Cruise Line has built its youth program to keep kids and teens genuinely entertained. The kids' clubs typically break out into age-based groups so younger children, tweens, and teens all have their own space and activities. That separation matters because a 9-year-old and a 15-year-old rarely want to hang out in the same room. For younger kids, expect arts and crafts, themed parties, games, movie nights, and plenty of supervised play. The counselors are trained to keep things fun and safe, which gives parents the chance to sneak away for a quiet dinner or a spa treatment without feeling guilty. Kids often make friends fast and beg to go back the next day. Teens get their own hangout area where they can meet other cruisers their age, play video games, dance, or just have space away from the grown-ups. It can be one of the most memorable parts of the trip for a teenager, especially when they realize the ship is safe enough to give them a taste of independence. Families often report that the youth program alone makes cruising with Norwegian worth it. The ports of call on Norwegian Sky sailings are a huge part of what makes her such a popular choice. She is well known for shorter Caribbean and Bahamas itineraries that pack a lot of destination time into a limited number of vacation days. That is exactly what a lot of working travelers are looking for when they finally get a break. Beach days are the bread and butter of these sailings. Whether guests spend the day swimming in clear water, lounging on white sand, or trying out water sports, the port stops feel like postcard moments. Norwegian is known for offering private island experiences that give cruisers a stress-free way to enjoy the sun without having to plan a thing. Shore excursions cover a wide range of interests. Adventure seekers can book snorkeling trips, catamaran sails, zip lines, and off-road tour, while more relaxed travelers can pick beach breaks, cultural walks, shopping outings, or scenic drives. Booking through the ship offers peace of mind since the crew knows the tour will get back before the ship sails. For guests who prefer to explore independently, the ports are usually easy to walk from the pier or reach by short taxi ride. That flexibility is a big plus for cruisers who like to wander at their own pace. Between excursions, beach time, and independent exploring, guests get a real taste of each destination without ever feeling rushed. Taking a step back and looking at the ship as a whole, the Norwegian Sky earns her reputation as a fun, easygoing cruise experience with strong value for the money. Her freestyle format, lively bar scene, and short itineraries make her a natural fit for first-time cruisers, quick getaways, and folks who just want to blow off some steam. She is not trying to be a floating theme park, and that is exactly why so many people love her. On the strength side, the food variety, friendly crew, party atmosphere, and simple layout are all common highlights. Guests often say the ship is easy to get around, which matters a lot when you are trying to make the most of a shorter sailing. She feels social without ever being overwhelming. On the weaker side, the Sky is older than many of her fleetmates, and it shows in some areas. Guests looking for the very latest tech, elaborate water parks, or fancy specialty venues may feel like she is a step behind newer ships. But for the target audience, those trade-offs are usually more than fair given the price point. What really makes the Norwegian Sky stand out is the personality of the sailing. She has become something of a favorite for guests who want a lively, casual, adult-friendly experience without the massive price tag that comes with a newer megaship. She hits a sweet spot that a lot of ships in her category simply miss. Her shorter itineraries are a big selling point, especially for guests who cannot easily take a full week or more off work. Being able to fly in, cruise for a few days, and be back at the dock without burning through vacation time is a genuine perk. That accessibility makes her a repeat favorite for cruisers who use her as a mini reset a couple of times a year. Freestyle dining and Norwegian's flexible policies also give the ship an edge. Guests who hate being told when and where to eat or what to wear tend to love this style. Combined with the strong bar scene and casual dress code, the Sky feels more like a floating resort than a formal cruise. That vibe is her signature. For guests attending small groups, celebrations, or informal gatherings, the ship offers meeting spaces and lounges that can host events during a sailing. Whether it is a milestone birthday, a family reunion, or a small business retreat, the Sky can accommodate those needs with the right advance planning. Corporate charters and group bookings do happen on ships like this, and the crew tends to handle them smoothly. Where the Sky really shines, though, is in the little service moments guests remember long after they get home. Bartenders who greet you by name after the first day, cabin stewards who leave clever towel animals, and waitstaff who remember exactly how you take your coffee all add up to something special. These are the touches that turn a good cruise into a great one. Guests often talk about the friendly, easygoing energy on board, and that reflects the crew as much as the ship. There is a sense that everyone from the housekeeping team to the entertainment staff genuinely wants guests to have a good time. That kind of hospitality is not something you can fake, and it is a big reason people return to the Sky again and again. All in all, the Norwegian Sky is a ship that knows exactly what she is and delivers on it consistently. She is not trying to compete with the giant new resort ships, and she does not need to. For guests who want a fun, affordable, freestyle escape with good food, strong drinks, warm sunshine, and friendly service, she remains one of the better options out there, and she is well worth a spot on any cruiser's list.